1 skein of yarn. 1 afternoon is all you need to crochet this fringe ear flap hat. The yarn used in this tutorial is medium weight blend yarn with a 6.0mm crochet hook. Start with a magic ring. First, chain 2 as the turning chain for the double crochet, which does not count as a stitch. Work double crochet stitches into the ring and place a stitch marker on the first stitch. For round 1, you need to work a total of 12 double crochet stitches. And also place a stitch marker on the last stitch. After finishing, pull the starting tail to tighten the ring. Note: at the end of every round, you must slip stitch into the first stitch to join. This slip stitch is only for joining, so pull it tight. Round 2. First, chain 2 as the turning chain for the double crochet. This does not count as a stitch, and this point will not be mentioned again going forward. Work a double crochet increase in each stitch around. An increase means working 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. While crocheting, you can hold the starting tail over the hook to weave it in as you go. One double crochet increase completed. Let me demonstrate once more. You need to work 12 sets in total, resulting in 24 stitches. After finishing, remember to slip stitch and pull tight. This will not be emphasized again later. Round 3. After the turning chain, work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. And work a double crochet increase in the second stitch. One double crochet plus 1 double crochet increase is 1 pattern repeat. Let me demonstrate one more repeat. Follow this pattern to complete the round. There are 12 repeats in this round, resulting in 36 stitches. Round 4. After the turning chain, work 1 double crochet in each of the first 2 stitches. And work a double crochet increase in the third stitch. Two double crochet plus 1 double crochet increase is 1 pattern repeat. Let me demonstrate one more repeat. Follow this pattern to complete the round. There are 12 repeats in this round, resulting in 48 stitches. Round 5. After the turning chain, Work 1 double crochet in each of the first 3 stitches. And work a double crochet increase in the 4th stitch. Three double crochet plus 1 double crochet increase is 1 pattern repeat. Let me demonstrate one more repeat. Follow this pattern to complete the round. There are 12 repeats in this round, resulting in 60 stitches. Round 6. After the turning chain, work 1 double crochet in each of the first 4 stitches. And work a double crochet increase in the 5th stitch. 4 double crochet plus 1 double crochet increase is 1 pattern repeat. Let me demonstrate one more repeat. Follow this pattern to complete the round. There are 12 repeats in this round, resulting in 72 stitches. Round 7. Work double crochet stitches without any increases or decreases, meaning work 1 double crochet in each stitch around. This round will have 72 stitches. Rounds 8 to 14. Work double crochet stitches without any increases or decreases, but do not slip stitch to join at the end of each round. Turn your work to start the next round. Each round will have 72 stitches. Round 15 begins the brim section. After the turning chain, work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch, work a front post double crochet. The front post double crochet is similar to a regular double crochet, but the hook is inserted around the post of the stitch from the front. The front post double crochet creates a raised texture facing outward. In the third stitch, work a back post double crochet. The back post double crochet also only changes the insertion point. This time the hook goes around the post from the back. This creates a raised texture facing inward. Continue alternating 1 front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet to complete this round. End with a regular double crochet. Round 16. Turn your work. Work 1 regular double crochet in the first stitch. Then, work according to the established texture pattern. For example, work a back post double crochet around the inward raised back post double crochet from the previous round. And work a front post double crochet around the outward raised front post double crochet from the previous round. Continue alternating to complete the round. The last stitch is also a regular double crochet. Rounds 17 to 19 are worked the same as round 16. When finished, after completing, chain 1 to secure, like tying a knot. Finally, use the remaining yarn to make the fringe. Simply cut the loop in the middle to split it into 2 strands. Then, pull the fringe through the gaps in the stitches on the sides of the brim. Use the leftover tail from the hat to tie and secure the fringe with a knot. Finally, trim the fringe neatly. The method for making the fringe on the other side is the same.